y'all, my name is Rebecca and welcome to my channel. I'm going to make some Grinch cupcakes for Christmas. I know it's off season, but I have learned that if an idea comes to me and I don't act on it, then the idea seems to disappear. I don't know where it goes and I find a hard time retrieving it. So I have found these cookie tins at the Dollar General on the 80% off clearance sale. They were $2. You do the math. And I'm going to hot glue some finger loop yarn. I purchased mine off of Amazon a couple of years ago. They're around $14.95 for a 2-pack. The yarn is so soft and so fluffy, perfect for crafting. I'm going to run a bead of hot glue around the edge of my cookie tin. Then I'm going to work my way up to the top. Dollar Tree carries these 3-inch, I believe, balls of floor foam. They come in a 2-pack. You can buy them other places as well. But I'm going to cut one of the floor foam balls in half, hot glue that on the top, and then continue wrapping my container with the finger loop yarn. Once I got to the top of my faux cupcake, I simply clipped the edge off, hot glued that down, and then I'm going to use a chamois mint from the Dollar Tree. It's the perfect Grinch color. I'm going to clip off the little fuzzy nubbins that are on this mint and hot glue those onto the top of the cupcake along with some yarn pom-poms that I had once again left over from another project. While you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell as well so that you know when I've uploaded my next video. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you ever so much for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. And I did promise you that I was going to post some after season videos because I have been shopping the post-Christmas sales and getting some really good deals. So I did not want to bank my videos, hold them over until next season because you might be shopping the same sales and need inspiration on a few DIYs too. Thank you so much for watching Crafts, Laughs, and Chaos. I'll catch y'all in the next one.